to help us all the time. I mean, right there from letting me use their AC machine, and I am certified. I am certified. Right there, Max AC refrigerant class. Texas, Tuesday, July 18th. Wasn't really planning on making this kind of video today, or video in general today. We done loaded this morning, went up to Dalhart, Texas, kicked one off. As we were coming back in Amarillo, I lost all my air conditioning. It's right at 105 on the dash right now. We're in that heat wave. Well, upon investigation while I was reloading, and the compressor took the crap. Getting power to it, but it's not spinning. And I can smell the rubber, so it's just the clutch it went out. So I'm about to pull up to the shop here where they got my truck hemmed up at, and we'll see if they got a compressor or a clutch. We're gonna change it out, because there's no way I can stay in this truck with no AC right now. I have to go to the house. Pulling into the shop. Go in here, holler at Mr. Les or Kevin, see if they got a compressor. Pull right here, let y'all see an old friend. We got two old friends here today. Ola Flama Blanca right there. Ola Flama Blanca in the flesh. And look at here. Rat Rod's getting weeds growing up around us, been here so long. Look at that cool cab over. Yeah, we're gonna circle around here, see if we can find us an air compressor, AC compressor. You see why they're taking so long though? This place is covered up with trucks. Pulled off to the side, kind of out of the way. Alright, I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Alright, so our buddies at the shop out there didn't have none. Called one of my other buddies up over here at Amarillo Thermal King. They work on reefers, but this guy, our parts guy that brings his stuff home, he comes out of Thermal King there. He worked at West Texas Peterbilt before Rush bought it. He was the parts guy there forever. His name was Mike, real cool guy. He said he thinks they might have one. If not, I'll have to go to Freightliner probably. So it could turn into an ordeal. Luckily, when the compressor grenaded, it looks like it blew the seal out of the front of it. But it lost all the Freon, so I should be able to swap the compressor out and recharge it. And be good to go right now. Whenever I get back to the shop, I can pull it down properly and test everything, leak test it and all that. So, but just to get going today, this is what we're gonna do. We're too far behind. We got too much to do to be jacking around and waiting. So I just pulled up here to Thermal King off of Eastern Street, off of I-40 in Amarillo. Let's go see what they got. I had no dice here either. No dice. They sold it before we actually found the part number. So we can run down the Freightliner. See what they got. If not, we might have to just go commandeer the rat rod for a few days till they can get one for this one. Get it changed out. We got too much to do to be shut down. 2 trucks. Alright, we're about to pull into Freightliner off of Whitaker Road. Off of Whitaker Road. Next to the blue beacon. And here, see what they got. We're in business. Go see if we can borrow an AC machine. Got the compressor swapped out. The only thing we're waiting on now is for the machine to finish evacuating. Got 5 minutes left. And then I can remove this suction and discharge line and put it on the new compressor. And then we'll refill it. It looks like it grenaded and messed up the lines. We'll probably put a receiver dryer on it. Alright, y'all, we're back in business. She's blowing cold. Blowing cold, blowing cold. One thing, I don't know if any of y'all ever listen to, I'm still sweating. I don't know if any of y'all ever listen to old Kevin Rutherford. But one thing he always talks about is building a rapport with your shop. And I know a lot of y'all probably think, why do you like this shop so much? Hell, they take forever to get to your truck. Check this old day cab. I know we looked at it a while ago. Man, that sucker's sharp. See my ADD kicking in? Yeah, that sucker's sharp. Y'all want to see something even sharper? Even cooler? Look to the left of the screen. Right there, big old rat rod. They said they're gonna try to get it in here in the next day or two, so hopefully they will get it back going. But yeah, building a rapport with your shop. So these guys here go out of their way to help us all the time. I mean, right there from letting me use their AC machine, and I am certified. I am certified. Right there, Max AC refrigerant class, AC class. So yes, I am certified from back when I used to mechanic all the time in the oil field. We got her dead. So build a rapport with your shop. they're just an extension of your business. So we're gonna cut this video right here. It's a little short video, but we're gonna cut it right here. And on the next installment of 806 Driver, we're gonna talk about my little podcast idea. So we'll probably talk about it a little bit tomorrow. I'll try to make a video talking about it tomorrow. So we're loaded. We gotta get back up north, about 115 miles away. Get up there and get her kicked off, and then we got boogie over to Woodward, Oklahoma. That's where we're gonna stay at tonight, and go get loaded and stay at. And we gotta run some loads down to Alta. So call the boss man, let him know I got everything straightened out, and get the shiny side up, hammer down. We'll see y'all on the next.